Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change camera settings in Wavin's Mid. It's pretty easy. First of all, we need to select settings here. Then if you're playing the game on keyboard and mouse, you can change camera mode to MMORPG. This is recommended for cross-platform, or you can also choose this one, ARPG. This is recommended for action game or console players. Then you need to choose camera in order to access advanced settings for camera. You can change camera zoom on wide, far, or default. Also you can enable camera direction correction if you want. Then underneath of that you have the option for grand lightness skill camera. You can choose this on free camera. You can choose camera mode when using lightness skill to be precise. Then underneath of that, if you're playing the game on controller, this is settings for you. So from here you'll able to change camera sensitivity for horizontal, camera sensitivity for vertical, and also you will able to change aim camera sensitivity as well for horizontal or vertical. Underneath of that you will able to see invert horizontal camera. You can enable that as well, or invert vertical camera. Then if you're playing the game on keyboard and mouse just like me, then you can adjust camera sensitivity for X or Y, or also you can enable invert horizontal camera or invert vertical camera. So these are some settings which you can change in camera tab in Wavin's Mid. So yeah, that's exactly how you can change camera settings in Wavin's Mid. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.